Hello, very good day, guys. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Knowledge Power. Today, we are going to see how we can monitor the activities of our phone, what we have used whole day. Let's suppose I do have kids. I give them a phone for a while, and later they said, I haven't taken the phone so far. So we can monitor that how exactly and how long they have used the phone. I'll give you an example how we can do it. First of all, we need to go to the settings. When we go to the settings, you can scroll down gradually, slowly, and then you can see there is an application manager. When you click on that, you can see there is a screen time. It shows the activity, whatever we have used it. Let's suppose, let me just show you for yesterday. I have used my phone total 4 hours and 47 minutes. I've spent 1 hour 25 minutes on YouTube. And what I have done and what I have seen in the YouTube, I can also go for it. Check for it. You can see I have used it. Uh, yes, let me just check what I have used it. Okay, here it is. As you can see, I was using YouTube and you can see 5 hours and 18 minutes last 7 days. And my kid told me that he haven't used it, so I can monitor it what exactly they've used it. So like this, I've used Instagram for 52 minutes, I've used 44 minutes for Facebook, 30 minutes for WhatsApp, 11 minutes for vidIQ, Gmail, CapCut, settings, a game. I've used Canva. So there is a multiple applications. You can see all the log that how many minutes you have spent on your phone. They have record each and everything. So that's a very good activity. You can check it for the past also. Okay, day before yesterday I've used this application. You have the record for each and every application that you have used it, and it's a very good activity if you want to limit it yourself for using a mobile for number of hours. You can easily track it for how many hours you have used your phone, your screen time, and for how long you can you can reduce it. You can also reduce it further if you want to reduce your screen time. It's really good as long as you want to keep an eye on your kids or anyone in the family that what they've used and how exactly it works, as I told you. So that screen time is a very good option. You just need to go to the application manager settings, application manager, and then you can have a look on it. I hope that's it for today. You like it. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead and do subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Bye bye.